following announcement has been paid for by the Jackass Nation.
First off, Jason Inman and Ashley Robertson said what up.
All right.
That's the homie. That's my boy. So he told me to say what up.
All right. Okay.
So being Detective Henderson, you got a 6'10" black man running around the streets. Y'all, you know we got to get this out the way real quick. And a 6'10" principal.
Right.
The only difference is one talk with jive and the other one talks straight lace.
Right.
How do you deal with that? How does Henderson deal with that?
Henderson has to remember that Henderson is on the superhero show. And there's great suspension of disbelief on a superhero show.
Great.
But you know, there was talk before of why we couldn't recognize him.
The glare.
And then we blinded by, it's a superhero show.
Okay.
That's it. And plus, we don't know how long that's going to last. We may find out this season that his boy is who he really is.
Because Henderson just got a promotion now. Now he really trying to step things up. Deputy Chief.
The speech you give in the season 1 finale, wrecked me. It was to think that a cop might actually acknowledge to its community, look, we have a lot of issues and we see that and we want to be better. And I was wondering, for you, as you were preparing that speech, were you talking to anyone specifically? Did it impact you in the same way?
That's a very thoughtful question. Thank you. I think I have been very interested in how law enforcement walks the line of having to support the communities that protect the service, and the fact that those communities don't always support them. So I think I like to read a lot of local stories and talk to people that I know to source some of that material. Because I want to make Henderson not just another, detective or Inspector Gordon or something, but actually make him a real complex, deep human being. So that's what I was trying to do in that. And the fact that you said that it struck you, that moved me a lot.
It did. I think that's how a lot of people talk about it, because it's like, yo, this is real. That's one of the things I've always said for the show. They take real current day issues that the black community faces and just put it out.
The announcement has been paid for by the Jackass Nation.